back. Since you're still hanging with me, it means you really want to know how to use your time to make money. Listen, when I first started on Amazon back in 2011 selling used phones, used BlackBerry, I made so much money on that platform without running any ad. And that is still possible today. But another thing that is actually better than that is knowing how to sell using Walmart and Amazon at the same time and make so much money. Over the past Thanksgiving and Christmas, myself and my team, we did a test whereby we cross-sell between Amazon and Walmart, and we made over $39,000 in that 1 month. How did we do it? Of course, we did a little research and we found out what is it that people are looking for on Amazon that we can get on Walmart. Listen, we know people are looking for this thing on Amazon. We just go to Walmart. We get it, all of these online. Here's what we do. We go to Walmart, just online on Walmart. We take the picture of what people are looking for on Amazon and we put it on Amazon. Listen, we're not holding any inventory. We're not spending any money. We just get the picture of that thing that we knew people are looking for on Amazon. Amazon is the biggest e-commerce platform in the world, and you can leverage on the free traffic to make so much money. Okay, so we went over to Amazon, see what people are looking for, go to Walmart and list that picture on Amazon, and boom, before you know it, we got sales. And what do? We tell Walmart, send it out to them, and we get paid. Well, if it still sounds very confusing to you, which I understand it may to some of you that have not been able to do this, that is why I've put together a course that I'm giving to you for free, so you can start implementing this. Listen, if the only way I can help you is to ensure that you're able to do this, so you can pay your bills, you can get started online, because sometimes if you don't have money, you cannot really make money. But if you have time and you can do this, I've recorded a free course that I'm giving to those of you that want this for free today, that shows you how to cross-sell between Walmart and Amazon with no money down, and how to do this effortlessly without having to run any paid traffic. So if you want that, go ahead and click on the link below this video. It's going to take you to the page where you will tell me that you want it, and I'm going to give it to you for free. But the problem is, this is not going to be around for a long time, because listen, I put a lot of work into recording this video, and I only want to give it to those that are serious and are ready to start online and make money today. So if you want that course, how you can cross-sell between Walmart and Amazon with no money down, go ahead and click on the link below this video, and I will see you on the next video. But before that, before you click on that link and run away, do not forget to subscribe to this channel. Click the like button, and of course, do not forget to hit the bell button as well, so that way when I record another content like this, you'll be one of the very first people to be notified. Listen, you will be crazy, like seriously, not to get this free course, because it made me over $39,000 in just 1 month. All right, so without having to spend any money on ad or buying any inventory, right? So go ahead and click on the link below if you want that course, and I will see you next time. All right, adios.